So how can you solve this problem using Excel? If you go to the Data tab, and you will find the solver here. Probably you don't have a solver here. So what you can do is click Tools, go to the Add-in, and then you will have this kind of the add-in. So you can just select the solver and then click OK. Then you will have a solver here. So if you don't click solver, then if you, even though you go to the Data tab, you don't have a solver here, but you have to open it, select, then you will have a solver. Window case, it's a little more complicated to bring up the solver, but if you refer the slide, um, here, if you go to the slide, this is slide number 30, there is a link. If you go to the link, this will tell you how to bring up the solver in a window machine. Okay, now you have a solver, the click solver, and the solver window will be pretty much the same with the window and the map. So set objective. I'm trying to set the objective. What was our objective function? This was our objective function, right? So I'm trying to maximize this number is 2750. So I'm trying to set this is my objective, which is the E3 in my case. And then you can select this maximization or minimization, but I'm trying to maximize it. And then by changing value of variable cell, what I'm trying to maximize this one by changing what? I'm changing these two numbers, right? 50 and 30, this is my arbitrary initial number. But I'm trying to change these two numbers so that this E3 becomes maximized. And then I have to type in the constraint. Constraint, you will have this window, add constraint. So this constraint, this number should be less than equal to this number. You can add. And then this number should be, now it's greater than equal to, so it happened to the other. Okay, so you will choose the greater than equal to, and the constraint should be this one. So this D7 should be greater than equal to F7, and then you can choose add and cancel. Then your solver window has these two constraints. So I'm changing the value E1 and E2. Here I'm changing this to number, which is the E1, E2, and I am maximizing this number. This is this, and then all my constraints satisfied here. Okay, but this number, remember this, all these numbers are, if you change this, so on Excel, what you are trying to do is, if you change L and J, all objective function and constraint part also have to change. Everything has to change automatically. And then what you can do is select this option. This is the non-negative option. So we will consider L and J only the non-negative number. And then this is a non-linear solver, but usually we will choose simplex LP. Okay? Simplex LP is linear programming. And then you click solve. Then computer will give you a solution. Keep solver solution. So solver found the solution, all constraints and optimality constraints are satisfied. And keep solution, and you click OK. Then you will see this 6 and 12 is your solution. And this is the possible maximum profit you can have. Okay.